I'm going to show you how we turned this cluttered attic into a kid's playroom. So as you can see, we've got clutter everywhere. So what we did was we of course removed the clutter from here and this closet that is in this picture now, or we're going to make it into a closet. And you can see the HVAC system in the left side there. We built this wood frame around it, which is going to be a seating area actually in the kids' room. We started putting up some drywall here as well. So in this picture, it's a darker picture, but we've got the spotlight. We've got some further drywall up around the window. And this is the master as well. We've got some of the wood going up around the HVAC. And this is more of that wooden frame in the kids' room that we're making here. And we've added some electrical boxes. This is that closet that was cluttered previously. We put some drywall up and more electrical in the picture as well. This is the hallway between the kids' room and the master room in the attic. You can see the drywall we added. And we've got some of the wainscoting there on the bottom. And this is more the finished picture of that seating area. This is another angle. Sorry, the pictures are a little bad. This is from a decade ago, and that's the window. This is the door here that we had brought in. That's going to be the door for the master in the attic. This is another view. I believe this is the kids' room here. Yeah, that's the kids' room with the little seating area. We've got some of the mud and paint here. And this is the closet for the master in the attic. We finished that out with the drywall. Now this is the new flooring we put in. It's like I think it's a wide flooring. I think we got it from Lumber Liquidators or Lowe's, but it's a wide plank flooring. It's like 10 inches. Here's another picture of it right here. As you can see, I like the way it looked. It kind of had that old farmhouse look. Here's a closer up picture of it. And here's what it looked like after we stained it here. I really like the way that came out. Not sure why this picture is here. This is a toy area we made. It's like a little toy shelf. You can put books on it. We just made this out of some 8-inch lumber here. And this is after we painted it white. The picture distorts it a little bit. It's actually straight, but this is another picture here of the seating area. We added some base trim on there. And this is what it looked like at the end. We have pink chalk paint up, so kids can write with chalk here. And that's the finished library area here. And this is the final playroom here. And we got a nice little light there. And that's the chalkboard area as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this and check this out for more videos.